Clean Genius Pro is your all-in-one Mac cleaner, including an app uninstaller, space monitor, and disk ejector. It's so easy to use. One click and you're scanning your Mac for all sorts of junk that's slowing it down. Another click and it will clean your Mac in seconds, caches, logs, trash, and more. Many of the apps you install write all sorts of files all over your hard drive. Clean Genius Pro includes an uninstaller that will remove your apps and all their data completely. Clean Genius Pro will even monitor your hard drive and alert you if your space is running low. You can also eject all of your mounted devices with a click from the menu bar. Clean Genius Pro is the easiest Mac cleaner that removes all the junk from your Mac for optimum performance. Download it today at macupdate.com/cleangeniuspro.